So just got the muffler off, pipe in its place, not welded, just clamped, which it is louder than I wish. But here's a cold start. You can hear the exhaust leak with the pipe. Not horrible. Much quieter than previous, but it's a cold idle. Literally, it's about 50 degrees out. 53 degrees my temperature says. Driver door open. Both front windows open, so you can hear it. Now just moving. Get out of the driveway so the wife can close the gate. Better than before, a little bit. Gotta close the gate so the dogs and animals don't get out. Okay. Here we go. First takeoff. Easy one. We're still in the neighborhood. Shifted about 2.5. Actually quite quiet for just a muffler to leak. I know if it was welded I wouldn't have that little bit of a leak on there, but it's a lot quieter than I expected, honestly. The fuck are all these people doing? Car just literally pulled out in front of me. Yeah, up to 3,000 RPM, that's that little bit of noise you're hearing. Not much at all. I guess the resonator does make that much difference. Okay, stop sign. What the fuck is that on my windshield? Hashtag no bug life. Now it's dead. Whatever that's supposed to be. Okay. Bugs outside. There we go, another red light. I'm just gonna pause to save your video. Okay, back to taking off. That was 3,500. 3. Not bad at all. I mean, here's 40 mile an hour cruising. And it's quiet. The wind's making more noise. Y'all have a good Christmas. Peace out.